Okay, so I'm on lunch and I'm about to try these Trader Joe crackers, the assorted crackers. They have original white cracker, the pepper and poppy seed white cracker, the vegetarian entertainer cracker, and then they have the wheat entertainer cracker. Let's bust these babies open. I'm also going to be trying the peanut butter with honey. That's from Trader Joe's. It says it's dry roasted peanuts with honey and sea salt. I think I want to start with the familiar. So let's start with the original. We're going to start with the original white cracker. It smells like Lay's original chips. They're very thin. It resembles what's those crackers? The crackers that come in the red box. Yeah, the flavor kind of resembles like Ritz crackers, but these crackers are super thin. These are way better than like just white saltine crackers. It's nothing spectacular, but they're definitely like good. They're delicious. Here's the peanut butter. It is like a little oily. It only has 3 ingredients, which is good. I'm gonna try to dip it inside. You see all that oil? Like, what the fuck? I didn't even put no real peanut butter on it, and it's already fire. That oil is good. This peanut butter is good. There's some good peanut butter right here. The peanut butter is good. It's a little drippy because I don't have anything like mixed it up with right now, but it's good. Because I'm eating it like not mixed up with the oil on top, the peanut butter isn't like as drying. Like my throat isn't as dry as I reach for the water. Should we just go straight for the poppy seed? Pepper and poppy seed water cracker. I'm not really a poppy seed girl. I don't really like poppy seed muffins and stuff. That's not really my thing. This is what the poppy seed is looking like. Shout out to all the people with the phobia of circles. Wow. Is it pepper? It's pepper in there? All I taste is pepper. All I taste is pepper, but I like it. I am a pepper girl. I love pepper. I'm gonna try a piece with the peanut butter. I feel like these would be good with some pico. A good pico de gallo. The poppy seed, the pepper poppy seed. Since we're halfway through the cracker assortment, I'm gonna crack open this purple juice. What is this? The Power of 7 purple. It's a blend of organic pomegranate, tart cherry, black mulberry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry juices. So let's crack this baby open. It looks like grape juice. Grape juice. I'm not excited about this tart cherry. I've never had tart cherry. Okay. It smells fucking delicious. Wow. Let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Oh, this is fabulous. Oh, this is by far better than the green one. By far better than the green one. Oh, yes. They did that one. They did it with this one. Let's try the vegetable. It's very aromatic. It smells like onions. It tastes like sour cream and onion. I'm not mad at this at all. But do I want to dip this in peanut butter? I don't. For the sake of it, let's just try it. The peanut butter overpowers the sour cream and onion taste, so it works. And last but not least, we have the original wheat flavor. It smells like a chip, like a potato chip, but it doesn't taste like a potato chip. It tastes like a Ritz. It's not bad. It just tastes like a Ritz.